In part B, we are going to find this using the values given. Now, this doesn't quite look like any one of them. It doesn't contain 5 to 5. So, let's try to work on the zeros first. Now, remember, we know that this is going to give 10. That is, 1000 is a perfect cube. So let's try to simplify this number first using this. So now we can write it as this times this. As such, now we only need to deal with cube root of 420, and then here's times 10. Now, let's see if we are able to transform 420 to look like 525. Using a calculator, let's try doing this. Do a prime factorization of 420. So, 420, we divide by 2, we get 210. We divide by 2 again, and then we get 105. And now we try one more time. And this time we get 52.5. Well, does this look like something we have up here? So it means that we can possibly rewrite it in this way. Because this is actually 8. And therefore, and this was given to us as 3.74. So 3.74 times 2 times 10, which will result in 74.8.